1, 2, 3. There you go.
Some birds go to town in their Buster Browns, and yet others still say they're equal, but still make their date pay the bill. Some birds flap their wings where they want something. Some birds break your heart, then apologize later, which rips you apart. But some birds don't do anything at all. Some birds don't do anything at all. Some birds don't do anything but watch TV and eat ice cream. Some birds don't do anything. Some birds stay at home, sniffing glue alone. Noodle cup for one, watching test pattern colors for hours for fun. Some birds lead you on in their arms at dawn. Some birds break your heart, then they tell you they're sorry, which twists up the plot. But some birds don't